Hi there and welcome to our latest video where we want to update you with our favourite tips from Microsoft Teams for May 2023. Our first tip of the day is a new chat message scheduling feature. This new feature has been introduced for you to be able to schedule a message ahead of time. In order to schedule a message, you should begin with writing the message as normal, but when going to send, you will want to right click on the send button where it will then bring up options for when to schedule your message. You can then choose a date at the top and then your chosen time at the bottom. Once you have chosen your time and date, you will then need to click send at scheduled time and then select send for your message, and it will then automatically send at your chosen time and date. You are still able to edit or delete the message if necessary before it sends and after too. The next tip we have for you is being able to pin and save any important messages. Chats and messages can easily get lost within Teams, so for those messages that are a bit more important, you have the option to pin or save them. To pin a message, you would need to hover over the message and you want to go to the three dots, and where the pin button is, you can click on this and it will then pin this message to the top of your chat box. Another option is if you have several important messages that need saving, you can do this the same way we went into the three dots to pin the message, but there's an option that says save this message. If we go ahead and click on that, it will send straight the save message area. You can access your saved messages if you click your account in the top right hand corner. It will then come up with a host of options, and where it says saved, you'll need to go in there and you will find a list on the left hand side with all your saved messages in. When you click on them, it will take you to the exact message within the chat that it's in. Our third tip of the day is filtering and pinning chats. This tip is useful if you talk to a lot of people during the day. You can filter through this through the filter at the top of the chat section on the left hand side. You're then able to filter the name of the chat participant. If you know that you speak to this particular chat participant often, you can actually then pin their chat to the top of your list. To do this, you would need to click on the three dots, and then when a list of options comes up, you will then need to click on pin, and this will instantly pin that conversation with that person at the top of your chat history list above all of your recent messages. Our fourth tip of the day is a new feature where you can actually send a quick video via Teams chat. This can be a video for up to 1 minute, and you can do this by clicking on the small camera recorder icon next to the send button at the bottom right of your chat box. You can then choose your desired camera and microphone if necessary too. This is especially useful for those working remotely or even those that are on site and need to send a quick video. Once you have recorded your video, you can review the clip, make any cuts, or even record it again. Once you're happy with your clip, you can click the send button in the bottom right hand corner and it will send as any other message would. Our last tip of the day is video effects for Teams meetings. As you're joining a meeting, you can now have the option in the video section to add effects. When you click on this, it will give the background suggestions as well as video filter suggestions. If you click on more video effects, you can explore all the different frames and styles that are now available on Teams. Once you've clicked on the one that you want, it will automatically apply to your video when you join your meeting. That concludes our video for today. We hope that these tips have been useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.